Stop paying for Claude. There is a hidden mode inside Claude Cowork that almost nobody knows about. It lets you run DeepSeek V4 Pro, one of the most powerful AI models right now, completely free. Well, for like 2 cents a day. No Claude subscription needed, no $20, nothing. I'm Kashif from TechFire Co. And in the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set this up live on screen, step by step. 3 things you'll walk away with. 1. Your DeepSeek V4 running inside Cowork. 2. Full 1 million token context turned on. 3. A setup that costs almost nothing. Quick context before we dive in. Claude Cowork is Anthropic's desktop AI app. You get skills, plugins, MCP tools. It's honestly a brilliant UX. But here's what they don't advertise. Cowork has a developer mode buried in the settings. Inside developer mode, there's an option called Gateway mode, which is basically bring your own AI model. It works because DeepSeek supports the Anthropic compatible API. So Cowork treats it like it's just another Claude model. But it's not Claude, it's DeepSeek V4 and it costs almost nothing. Let's set it up. 5 steps. Let's go. Go to platform.deepseek.com/API_keys. Log in or create a free account. Click Create New API Key. Give it a name. I'll call mine Claude Cowork. Click Create API Key. Copy that key immediately. You only see it once. Now top up your account. Add around $10 or $2. Keep that key open in a tab. We'll paste it in step 3. Now open Claude Cowork on your desktop. If you're signed in, log out first. Click the profile icon bottom left. Hit log out. Then fully quit the app. Not just close, quit. Reopen Cowork without signing back in. Now look at the top menu bar. Click Help Troubleshooting. You'll see Enable Developer Mode. Click it. The app restarts automatically. When it comes back, look at the top menu bar again. You'll see a new option, Developer. That's the unlock. Click Developer in the menu bar. Select Configure Third-Party Inference. A settings window opens. In the Connection tab, look for the drop-down. Change it to Gateway Anthropic Compatible. Now fill in 3 fields. Base URL https://api.deepseek.com/anthropic. API key. Paste your DeepSeek key here. Auth scheme, bearer. That bearer auth scheme is important. That's what DeepSeek's Anthropic compatible layer expects. Miss that and it won't connect. Still in the same settings window, scroll down to Identity and Models. Click plus, add twice. We're adding 2 models. First model, type DeepSeek V4 Flash. Turn on 1M context. This is your everyday fast model. Second model, type DeepSeek V4 Pro. Turn on 1M context here too. This is your heavy duty model for big tasks. That 1 million context window, genuinely useful. You can paste an entire code base, entire research doc, entire repo in one shot. At the bottom of the settings window, click Apply locally. Cowork restarts one more time. Now go to the model picker in chat. You should see DeepSeek V4 Flash, DeepSeek V4 Flash 1M, DeepSeek V4 Pro, DeepSeek V4 Pro 1M. Select DeepSeek V4 Pro and type something. Boom, DeepSeek V4 Pro inside Claude Cowork. No subscription, working perfectly. Let me show you the actual numbers. That's an insane difference for everyday tasks. Especially if you're in India, 1,700 every month adds up fast. Okay, let me be straight with you. This setup is not perfect. Limitation 1. This is gateway mode. Third party, not official. It could break if Anthropic updates Cowork. Limitation 2. You need developer mode unlocked. Not all features may be available. Limitation 3. DeepSeek is a Chinese company. If data privacy matters for your work, be aware. Don't send confidential client data through this setup. Limitation 4. Claude's native tools, like projects, may not work exactly the same with third-party models. For personal use, creative work, coding, research, absolutely worth it. For sensitive enterprise work, stick to the official setup. So that's it. DeepSeek V4 Pro inside Claude Cowork. 5 steps, less than 10 minutes to set up, practically free to run every day. Now here's what I want you to think about. Why what if you could replace even more paid AI tools with free or open source alternatives? I made a video on the how I got ChatGPT 5.5 for free, and some of these will genuinely surprise you. Link is on screen right now. Drop a comment, did this work for you, and subscribe if this saved you money. See you in the next one.